I'm gonna show you how to start your car with a welding machine. So first I'm gonna show you that the battery, okay, doesn't start the car. I'll try again. No. Okay, now we go back. Okay, we connect the negative to the negative and then the plus to the plus. Okay, like so. I start the welding machine. Okay, we wait a couple of seconds. Now it depends on how low your battery is, but normally if it's really low it will take a longer time, but this one just needs a push. And this is how you start your car with a welding machine. And now you can disconnect it. You see, it has spark here.